করতে আসছিল, শুটিং করার পরে ওরা ওই ভূত বাংলো গেছিল, ভূত বাংলোর আশেপাশে ঘোরাঘুরি করতেছিল। তারপরে ছেলেটার পিঠে পুরা মানে ইয়ে পুরা আঁচড়ের দাগ।
It was Shomik's plan to go to Dovil, and I'm super thankful to him that we are going to Dovil.
It's in Kaohsiung at a distance of just 30 kilometers from Darjeeling. So if you guys don't know about Dovil, this is the most haunted hill station of India and among the most haunted places of India as well. You will find innumerable stories on the internet about the paranormal activities, sighting of ghosts and incidents that took place here. If you just want a bone-chilling and eerie experience, this is a must-visit place. Also, we are traveling through the Death Road, which is infamous for sightings of a headless boy. I don't know whether we will be lucky enough to see him. I really hope that we have this trip in a fun and nice way.
On the way to the Death Road.
How happy are you?
I cannot express my happiness in words, yaar.
Is this ecstasy?
Yes, this is ecstasy.
I don't think I have traveled in any road better than this ever in my entire life. This is hands down the best journey I ever had in my entire life. So Dada has told us you might actually spot black bear, panther, deer out here. So we are really hoping that we do not spot a panther, deer or a black bear at least. Downhill is so downhill. place is chimney.
Smog or whatever you can say. This is actual smoke from the natural chimney.
Natural chimney. So we have just reached or entered Dahul rather. Not stopping here for anything, but then. আমরা কোথায় যাচ্ছি এখন?
ভূত বাংলো দাওয়ালি।
Oh. The Dahul Bhoot Bungalow. That's where we are going. Sure. This was actually entirely Shomik's idea to, you know, go to the Bhoot Bungalow and feel some spookiness around.
It's completely worth it.
The views are worth, like, every bit. It's like constantly raining, and that is actually adding to the overall, you know, mystical thing. Normal school. So this is the Dahul Girls' School or Women's School, and Burfi, if you guys have seen the movie, Priyanka Chopra was actually staying in this hostel or this school. Shomik.
Yo, bro, we are finally in the Bhoot Bungalow.
The Dahul Bhoot Bungalow.
The thing behind us is actually haunted.
Looks haunted. The building actually looks haunted. Let's get out of the car. इसके ऊपर क्या है आगे जाके?
तो ये तो सामने आओ।
जवाब नहीं देना, सामने तो आना भी नहीं।
हो गया ना, क्रिश्चियन दोस्त केयर नहीं है।
Like out of the world setting, you know. Perfect. Thank you, Shomik, so much for bringing me here. It was completely Shomik's idea.
Great.
Best idea. So you are, when you come here, you are not allowed to go up. Only the locals can. There is a Victoria hostel on my right, Victoria school on my left.
And video নিচ্ছি।
ডান্স করছি ভাই।
তুই ভূত ভাই।
Dancing with headless bastards.
Oh, bastards are bastards.
A lady with the red light.
So we thought of going inside or, you know, checking the place out, but we are not allowed to go inside. ये स्कूल क्या रेगुलर चलता है?
अच्छा स्टूडेंट पढ़ते हैं इसमें? बोर्डिंग स्कूल है ये? बिहार, नेपाल, भूटान, बांग्लादेश। अच्छा।
So this is a functioning school. Students actually come here to study, and this is a hostel, so they actually come and stay here. So So actually it's nothing spooky, nothing like scary or anything. It's just that it's in Shomik's head that it is going to be
I thought
scary.
there will be some like headless.
So that road is different, right?
So I think this is the road which leads to the school, and this is a hostel for class 4 and 5.
Jayegi bro.
So we had our stay out in the like outside the Bhoot Bungalow, and I really think it's nice, very nice to look at. I don't think there is a lot of scary things that you need to be worried about or you need to be like thinking about. You can just come here, chill for 2-3 minutes or 10 minutes, and then head back. It just looks very different kind of thing, but this is a church. This is an old church, and the driver told us that some people came for a movie shoot out here, and one of them fell very sick, maybe.
And eventually died.
So from here we are going to some other place
Yeah, the forest.
of Dow Hill. Shomik knows about it, I do not, but then you guys will get to know about it very soon.
He's faking it.
He's faking it.
Yeah.
তুমি বলো একবার কি হয়েছে ওই যে ইয়ে করছি সিনেমা করতে
সিনেমা করতে আসছিল। এখনকার তো ছেলেপুলে ওই রকমই না, ওরা তো মনে করে যে কিছুই না, সবই তো এখানে। তারপরে যখন শুটিং করতে আসছিল, শুটিং করার পরে ওরা ওই ভূত বাংলো গেছিল, ভূত বাংলোর আশেপাশে ঘোরাঘুরি করতেছিল। তারপরে ছেলেটার পিঠে পুরা মানে ইয়ে পুরা আঁচড়ের দাগ। তারপরের দিনই ছেলেটা শুটিং ছিল।
এই রাস্তাটা উঠবে?
হ্যাঁ এই রাস্তা।
এটাই না ঠিক আছে।
मतलब वो एक कोई पॉइंट होगा ना उधर वो बुला रहे हैं।
So we have like 10 minutes to check this and walk this amazing place.
Here or there?
No, that would be slippery. This is better.
So we are finally going into the woods.
Finally going into the woods.
Yeah.
এখানে কিন্তু তোকে আমার রিল তুলে দিতেই হবে ভাই।
এখানে সবার রিল চাই। चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चल
यार यहाँ पे ना इवनिंग में लगता हुआ ऐसे
100 प्लेस गॉट टिक्ड या
हमारे तो 3 हो गए। कौन से हैं?
सो
कौन से हुए तुम्हारे?
कोलकाता में 3-4 है हां पुतुलवारी इज देयर
So sadly, my GoPro's battery is over, and the other battery, something is wrong with it, so I cannot use my GoPro. Do not have a lot of charge left on my iPhone either. So you guys are going to see a bit only, but it looks already so beautiful.
So, if I really had the time today, I would have, just sit here, not here exactly, but maybe somewhere inside the forest for quite a lot of time and enjoy this amazing place and the vibe of this place. But sadly, we really gotta go and we really have to be very fast about it.
Arushi is saying that she has seen an auntie in a red jacket. I didn't, and I'm really not scared of ghosts actually, so no worries for me. There is Shomik. The place looks really amazing, like out of a dreamy picture, you can say. and probably this is one of the most beautiful places I've been to in this entire trip. Happy Valley was amazing too, but this one is top notch. That would be all from us from Dow Hill.
Yeah. So we are finally checking out from Dow Hill.
This has been a pretty epic journey for me, and I really don't have the words to explain or words to express my feelings right now. It's so amazing, it's so cinematic, and it's so different from what we are used to seeing.